हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम चैप्टर 3 के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि है बायोमैकेनिक्स किन्जोलॉजी इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन के मल्टी चॉइस क्वेश्चंस एमसीक्यू 150 टोटल क्वेश्चन बायोमैकेनिक्स एंड किन्जोलॉजी इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन के कवर करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द मसल विच इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट इन ह्यूमन बॉडी इज ए quadriceps, बी rectus femoris, सी bicep femoris, डी latimus dorsi। राइट आंसर इज ए quadriceps। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A pronation and supination, B agonist and antagonist, C proximal and distal, D muscle and tissue। right answer is D muscle and tissue। question 3, the aerial tumbling is the best example of a projectile principle for A accuracy, B frequency, C distance and D height। right answer is A accuracy। question 4, which of the following planes of the body divide into upper and lower parts? A transverse, B sagittal, C vertical, D frontal। right answer is A transverse। question 5, the sternum bone is situated at A chest, B head, C lower leg, D lower back। right answer is A chest। question number 6, gluteus maximum muscle is situated at A upper back, B lower leg, C hips, D upper arm। right answer is C hips। question 7, which of the following is not included in the course content of biomechanics? A physics, B anatomy, C dynamics, D neuroscience। right answer is D neuroscience। question 8, triceps is shapely associated with A flexion of shoulder girdle, B elbow extension, C trunk flexion, D wrist flexion। right answer is B elbow extension। question 9, the greater momentum of an object A, the higher it will go, the lesser it will travel, C, the stronger it will spin, D, the greater distance will it travel। right answer is D, the greater distance will it travel। question 10, in which of the following activities there is least change of center of gravity? A standing broad jump, B shuttle run, C crawling, D somersault। right answer is C crawling। question 11, slender bones and rounded fatty musculature makes woman inferior to man in A speed, B strength, C flexibility, D agility। right answer is A speed। question 12, pushing against the wall is an example of A isometric contraction, B isotonic contraction, C isokinetic contraction, D eccentric contraction। right answer is A isometric contraction। question 13, injury to medial meniscus is common to A volleyball players, B basketball players, C football players, D tennis player। Right answer is C. Football players. Question 14. Forward inclination of shoulder girdle is A. Forward bending, B. Scoliosis, C. Lordosis, D. Round shoulder. Right answer is D. Round shoulder. Question 15. Linear motion is an example of A. Curved running, B. Straight running, C. Running high jump, D. Running long jump. Right answer is B. Straight running. Okay, question number 16. Question number 16 is not up to the mark, तो हम इस क्वेश्चन को स्किप करते हैं. Question 17. Which of the following athletic event groups do not belong to the genre of body projection skill? A. Hops, B. Jumps, C. Throws, D. Leaps. Right answer is C. Throws. Question 18. In appearance, the gastrocnemius calf muscle is fan shaped, B. Rounded, C. Diamond shaped, D. Kite shaped. Right answer is C. Diamond shaped. Question 19. The major cause of bad posture in school children is A. Carrying a load books, B. Bad habits of reading, sitting, standing, walking, etc. C. Muscle weakness, D. Tight dress. Right answer is C. Muscle weakness. Question 20. Who is considered as the father of kinesiology? A. Hippocrates, B. Galen, C. Aristotle, D. Socrates. Right answer is C. Aristotle. Question 21. On set command, the sprinter is in A. Stable equilibrium, B. Neutral equilibrium, C. Unstable equilibrium, D. None of above. C is the right answer. Unstable equilibrium. 22. The receptors lying in joint and muscles are A. Exoreceptors, B. Interoceptors, C. Proprioceptors, D. Distance receptors. Right answer is C. Proprioceptors. Question 23. Other than propulsive force, the aerial motion of a body is influenced by 1. Its weight, 2. Spin, 3. Elasticity, 4. Air resistance. So find the correct combination. A. 1 2 3, B. 2 3 4, C. 3 4 1, D. 4 1 2. Right answer is D. 4 1 2. 24. The control of speed of movement is followed in isokinetic exercise, B. Isometric exercise, C. Isotonic exercise, D. Eccentric exercise. Right answer is A. Isokinetic exercise. Question 25. The role of action is to carry the impulses A. Away from the nerve, B. Towards the brain, C. Away from the heart, D. Towards the heart. Right answer is B. Towards the brain. 26. Kinesiology and biomechanics are important due to their fundamental work in A. Sport, B. Fitness, C. Physical education, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Question 27. Technique of ossification of bones at right hand is used to determine A. Age, B. Weight, C. Height, D. Sex. Right answer is A. Age. Question 28. Which of the following is not correctly matched? A. Imaginary hyphen plane surface through which a movement takes place. B. An imaginary hyphen horizontal surface which plane divides the body into superior and inferior part. C. An imaginary sagittal surface which plane divides the body right and left lateral aspects. D. An imaginary sagittal surface which plane divides the body into anterior and posterior aspects. Right answer is C. Imaginary sagittal surface which plane divides the body right and left lateral aspects. Question 29. Which of the following are considered joint groupings? A. Finger, B. Toes, C. Ankle, D. Arm. Right answer is C. Ankle. Question 30. The knee joint consists of which movements? A. Flexion, B. Adduction, C. Hyperextension, D. B and C. Right answer is A. Flexion. Question 31. Linear velocity depend on 1. Angular velocity directly, 2. Radius of rotation inversely, 3. Both angular velocity and radius of rotation directly, 4. Both angular velocity and radius of rotation inversely. To find the correct combination: A 1 2, B 1 3, C 2 4, D 3 4. Right answer is B 1 3. Question 32. Which of the following is a hinge joint? A. Shoulder joint, B. Ankle joint, C. Hip joint, D. Knee joint. Right answer is knee joint, D. 33. During abduction movement, the arms moves: A. Towards the body, B. Across the body, C. Away from the body, or D. All of the above. Right answer is C. Away from the body. 34. Lordosis is also called: A. Hollow back, B. Round back, C. Lateral back, D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Hollow back. 35. Name from the following exercise which is considered harmful to the body mechanisms: A. Wrist rotation, B. Knee rotation, C. Neck rotation, D. Shoulder rotation. Right answer is B. Knee rotation. 36. When centrifugal and centripetal forces balance each other, then the hammer will: A. Slow down considerably, B. Remain in rotation, C. Move faster, D. Not move at all. Right answer is D. No, not move at all. 37. Find the correct answer. Frontal plate divides the body into front and back halves, C. Upper and lower halves, left and right half, inner and outer halves. Right answer is A. Frontal plane divides the body into. 38. Strength is applicable to which physical principle? A. Work, B. Energy, C. Motion, D. None of the above. Right answer is D. None of the above. Question 39. Select the correct option. Flexion and extension occur around: A. Medial lateral axis, B. Anterior posterior axis, C. Vertical axis, D. Sagittal axis. Right answer is A. Medial lateral axis. Question 40. The sequence of deformities in spine from top to bottom is: A. Lordosis, kyphosis, spondylosis, B. Kyphosis, lordosis, spondylosis, C. Spondylosis, kyphosis, lordosis, D, none of the above. Right answer is C, sporodosis, kyphosis, lordosis. Question 41. Exercise related stress fractures occurs in bone A, below the knee, B, in the spinal column, C, above the neck, D, in the arm. Right answer is A, below the knee. Question 42. Newton's first law of motion is also called A, law of inertia, B, law of acceleration, C, law of action and reaction, D, none of the above. Right answer is A, law of inertia. 43. Velocity is the A, change of position of a person, B, change of position of a person in given time, C, change of position of a person in a given direction and time, D, all of the above. Right answer is D, all of the above. Question 44. A person posture stay upright as long as there is a perfect balance is in his body of A, endurance and strength, B, agility and speed, C, speed and strength, D, strength and flexibility. Right answer is D, strength and flexibility. Question 45. Hyperextensions occur when the angle of extension is behind A, 60 degree, B, 90 degree, C, 180 degree, D, 80 degree. Right answer is C, 180 degree. Question 46. Which of the following is not correctly matched? A, kyphosis, convexity of thoracic region of spine, B, lordosis, inward curvature of spine, C, scoliosis, exaggeration on normal connectivity of lumbar region, D, flat foot, existence of good arc of the foot. Right answer is D, flat foot, existence of good arc of the foot. Question 47. In second class lever, resistance is located between A, fulcrum and force, B, force and resistance, C, fulcrum and resistance, D, none of the above. Right answer is A, fulcrum and force. Question 48. The height and time of the flight of a projectile depend only on A, initial vertical velocity, B, horizontal velocity, C, power of the thrust, D, angle of release. Right answer is D, angle of release. Question 49. The state of balance and equilibrium in internal physiological condition is known as A, metabolism, B, hypokinetics, C, homeostasis, D, anabolism. Right answer is C, homeostasis. Question 50. Isotonic contraction can also be called A, dynamic contraction, B, static contraction, C, concentric contraction, D, eccentric contraction. Right answer is A, dynamic contraction. Question 51. Newton's second law of motion is known as A, law of inertia, B, law of acceleration, C, law of reaction, D, law of gravitation. Right answer is B, law of acceleration. 52. Medial-lateral movement is also known as a rotation, B, adduction, C, abduction, D, flexion. Right answer is A, rotation. 53. Kyphosis is the deformity of vertebral column at A, thoracic region, B, lumbar region, C, cervical region, D, coccygeal region. Right answer is A, thoracic region. 54. The term effleurage is concerned with A, training, B, coaching, C, exercising, D, massaging. D is the right answer, massaging. Question 55. Low back pain is also called A, side stitch, D, lumbago, C, sciatica, D, all of the above. Right answer is B, lumbago. 56. Top spin on the ball causes A, higher rebound, B, lower rebound, C, left rebound, D, right rebound. Right answer is higher rebound. 57. Moving a body part away from the body's midline and back to the midline represent two movements known as A, pronation and supination, B, elevation and depression, C, abduction and adduction, D, flexion and extension. Right answer is C, abduction and adduction. Question number 58. The only saddle joint in the human body is in the A, toe of the foot, B, little finger, C, wrist, D, thumb. Right answer is D, thumb. Question 59. In its nature, the human motion is rotational, A, angular, B, circumambulatory, C, parambulatory, D, linear. Right answer is A, angular. 60. In many parts of the world, for instance United States, kinesiology is another name of sports science. A, movement studies, B, physical education, C, sports training, D, sports movement. Right answer is B, physical education. 61. Newton's law of motion better exemplify A, kinetics, B, kinematics, C, kinesthetic, D, transcriptional motion. Right answer is A, kinetics. 62. Operant conditioning is the shaping, maintenance and reduction of A, inherent behaviors, B, involuntary behaviors, C, cognitive behaviors, D, voluntary behaviors. Right answer is D, voluntary behaviors. 63. In the execution of sport, skill transfer effects are the highest when A, learners are highly motivated, B, learners' attention span is wider but controlled, C, elements in two skills are very compatible, D, learners are well matured. Right answer is C, elements in two skills are very compatible. 64. Principles of learning can be used to A, facilitate learning in a big way, B, provide happy learning experiences to students, C, understand, analyze and manage human behavior, D, produce stronger transfer effects. Right answer is C, understand, analyze and manage human behavior. 65. The biomechanical principle of projecting the body for accuracy is A, aerial tumbling, B, long jump, C, triple jump, D, running. Right answer is A, aerial tumbling. 66. A protein compound that speeds up chemical reaction, A, glycogen, B, myoglobin, C, enzyme, D, none of these. Right answer is C, enzyme. 67. Biomechanics emerged as a specialized field during which time period? A 1950s, B 1970s, C 1960, D 1980s. Right answer is 1960s. 68. Biomechanics developed out of the traditional field of A. Kinesiology, B. Medicine, C. Exercise physiology, D. Physical education. Right answer is A. Kinesiology. 69. Anterior posterior axis is also known as A. Vertical axis, B. Sagittal axis, C. Frontal axis, D. Longitudinal axis. Right answer is B. Sagittal axis. Question 70. In a good standing posture, the weight of the body should rest evenly on A. The two legs, B. The 2 feet, the 2 hip joints, the 2 toes. Right answer is A. 2 legs. Question 71. Transducers are used for which area of biomechanics? A. Electrical impulses, B. Force measurement, C. orthotics, D. Video. Right answer is B. Force measurement. 72. The concept of spin referred to which physical principle of biomechanics? A. Aerodynamics, B. Force, C. Motion, D. Work and energy. Right answer is A. Aerodynamic. 73. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? A. Stoppage of sweating mechanism result in heat cramp. B. Heat lost is more in cold condition, hypothermic effect. C. Feedback system for muscular work, neuromuscular junction. C. Body mass index is the measure of lean body fat. Right answer is D. Body mass index is the measure of lean body fat. 74. Flat foot is also known as A. Pesslu planus, B. Plantar fasciitis, C. Motoneuroma, D. Metatarsalia. Right answer is A. Pes planus. Question 75. RICE is the first step of A. Rehabilitation, B. Surgical treatment, C. First aid, D. Lateral management of sports injury. Right answer is C. First aid. 76. Identify the bone injury. A. Sprain, B. Strain, C. Green stick, D. Laceration. Right answer is C. Green stick. 77. Friction force is A. Tensive force, B. Comprehensive force, C. Contract force, D. Non-contact force. Right answer is C. Contract force. 78. The body is divided into front and back side by the A. Sagittal plane, B. Frontal plane, C. Transverse plane, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Frontal plane. 79. The concept of O2 depth was originally developed by A. Hill, B. Hilary curve, C. McCloy, D. None of these. Right answer is A. Hill. 80. Twisting, turning, bending, standing, lifting and walking all rely on the A. Legs, B. Spinal column, C. Lower back, D. Waist. Right answer is C. Lower back. 81. The movement involved in dorsiflexion is very valuable in A. Breaststroke in swimming, B. The up phase in cycling. C. Preparing for touchdown in running. C. Walking on a balancing beam. Right answer is B. The up phase in cycling. 82. Tennis players have been able to develop better control through which development? A. Better tennis balls. B. Better surface conditions. C. Better crowd motivation. D. None of the above. Right answer is D. None of the above. 83. Stability of the spine is very important for all. A. Equipment analysis. B. Quantitative biomechanics. C. Qualitative biomechanics. D. Kinesiology. Right answer is B. Quantitative biomechanics. 84. Jumping jacks use arms and legs abduction and adduction along the A. Lateral plane, B. Median plane, C. Horizontal plane, D. Transverse plane. Right answer is A. Lateral plane. 85. Mechanical movements of walking different from running in terms of A. Speed, B. Equilibrium, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. A and B. 86. How the shoulder moves when throwing a ball refer to which area of study? A. Equipment analysis, B. Quantitative biomechanics, C. Qualitative biomechanics, D. Kinesiology. Right answer is D. Kinesiology. 87. Shoulder separation is likely to occur in a player, especially a wrestler, a football player, or a hockey player who falls on the A. Outstretched hand, B. Headlong position, C. Elbow driven on the ground, D. Bottom straight. Right answer is A. Outstretched hand. 88. Latissimus dorsi is powerfully involved in A. Volleyball and basketball, B. Football and hockey, C. Swimming and rowing, D. Gymnastics and dance. Right answer is A. Volleyball and basketball. 89. The external axis of rotation lying outside the physical limits of the body is reflected in A. Gymnast swimming on a horizontal bar, B. A discus thrower swimming the discus, C. A tennis player hitting a sidearm stroke, D. A swimmer crushing through water. Right answer is C. A tennis player hitting a sidearm stroke. 90. The design of a golf club would refer to which area of study? A. Equipment analysis, B. Quantitative biomechanics, C. Qualitative biomechanics, D. Kinesiology. Right answer is A. Equipment analysis. 91. Trapezius muscle helps in A. Punching, B. Pushing the neck backward, C. Raising the leg forward, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Pushing the neck backward. 92. What are called movements of force? A. Torques, B. Acceleration, C. Trajectories, B. Inertia. Right answer is A. Torques. 93. Biomechanists could become more distant from kinesiologists due A. Research funding from outside source, B. Research not related to sport or physical education, C. Both and A and B, neither A or B. Right answer is C. Both A and B. 94. The force created between two connecting surfaces is called as A. Friction, B. Gravitation, C. Acceleration, D. Centrifugal force. Right answer is A. Friction. 95. An example of mediolateral axis and sagittal plane movement is A. Radial deviation of wrist, B. Transverse rotation of vertebral column, C. Flexion of hip, D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Radial deviation of wrist. 96. Injury to medial meniscus is common in A. Volleyball player, B. Basketball player, C. Tennis player, D. Football player. Right answer is D. Football player. 97. Elbow joint is formed with the following bones: A. Ulnar radius femur, B. Ulnar femur fibula, C. Ulnar radius humerus, D. Radius ulna and maxilla. Right answer is C. Ulnar radius and humerus. 98. Cramps are caused because of A. Lack of fitness for the task, B. Lack of fluid, C. Lack of sleep, D. Lack of rest. Right answer is lack of fitness for the task. 99. Endoskeleton involves A. Covering of skin, hair, nails, B. Bones and cartilages, C. Bones only, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Bones and cartilages. Question number 100. Knee joint is formed with the following bones: A. Femur fibula tibia, B. Femur radius ulna, C. Femur fibula ulna, D. Tibia radius fibula. Right answer is A. Femur fibula tibia. Question 101. The overarm motion of a track sprinter running 100-meter dash is an example of A. Curvilinear motion, B. Linear motion, C. Tangential motion, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Linear motion. 102. Posture is an index of individual: A. Personality, B. Character, C. Health, D. Fitness. A. Personality. 103. Bone cells are called A. Osteocytes, B. Osteoblasts, C. Osteoclasts, C. Osteoporosis. Right answer is A. Osteocytes. 104. Kyphosis is also called A. Hollow back, B. Round back, C. Lateral back, D. Back curve. Right answer is B. Round back. 105. The path of an object projected into free air space is known as A. Speed, B. Abnormal curve, C. Velocity, D. Parabola. Right answer is D. Parabola. 106. Mechanism is that branch of physics concerned with the study of A. Motion, B. Rest, C. Both the above, D. Neither A neither B. Right answer is A. Motion. 107. In which type of lever the force is in between weight and fulcrum? A. Type 1, B. Type 2, C. Type 3, D. All the above. Right answer is type 3. 108. Synovial joint is A. Slightly movable, B. Freely movable, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Freely movable. 109. Which of the following is a fibrous joint? A. Joint of the skull, B. Joint of the fingers, C. Joints of the ribs, D. All of the above. Right answer is A. Joints of the skull. 110. Which muscle is involved in the elevation of arm? A. Biceps, B. Deltoid, C. Triceps, D. Quadriceps. Right answer is B. Deltoid. 111. Function of long bones in the body is to A. Give strength, B. Act as a lever, C. Give protection, D. Provide surface area for muscle attachment. Right answer is C. Give protection. Question 112. Joints in the phalanges are example of A. Pivot joint, B. Hinge joint, C. Ball and socket joint, D. Gliding joint. Right answer is ball and socket joint. 113. The sagittal plane divides the body A. Lengthwise, B. Limbwise, C. Into upper and lower halves, D. Into left and right sides. Right answer is D. Into left and right sides. Question 114. Gravity is a phenomena that exists A. Everywhere in the universe, B. On the earth, C. In the space, D. In the black holes. Right answer is C. In the space. 115. Acceleration is defined as change in an object's A. Position, B. Velocity, C. Direction, D. Movements. Right answer is B. Velocity. 116. Which of the following does not fall under the category of basic postures? A. Sitting, B. Standing, C. Reclining, D. Lying. Right answer is C. Reclining. 117. Walking barefoot on sand or rough ground helps to correct A. Flat feet, B. Club feet, C. Curved feet, D. Outward pointing feet. Right answer is A. Flat feet. 118. In movement, bones play the role of A. Coordinators, B. Axial, C. Levers, D. Movers. Right answer is C. Levers. 119. The skeleton of thorax is made up of A. Cartilage, B. Bone, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Both A and B. 120. Shoulder joint forms with the following bones: A. Scapula and humerus, B. Scapula, clavicle and humerus, C. Scapula and clavicle, D. Humerus and clavicle. Right answer is A. Scapula and humerus. 121. The rotation of body around its imaginary areas in air is called A. Projectile, B. Spin, C. Turbulence, D. Drag. Right answer is B. Spin. 122. The tension of body rotation in air is based on the principle A. Conversion of angular momentum, B. Energy transformation, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Conversion of angular momentum. 123. In which type of collision the two bodies after impact do not separate from each other? A. Imperfect elastic collision, B. Perfect inelastic collision, C. Perfect elastic collision, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Perfect inelastic collision. 124. The law of restitution is related with A. Stability, B. Elasticity, C. Spin, D. Friction. Right answer is B. Elasticity. 125. The study of the pattern of motion with respect to time is called A. Kinematics, B. Kinetics, C. Both the above, D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Kinematics. 126. The 360-degree rotation of body part is called A. Adduction, C. Circumduction, C. Supination, D. Abduction. Right answer is B. Circumduction. 127. Gliding joint is found in A. Carpals and tarsals, B. Shoulders, C. Knee, D. Neck. Right answer is A. Carpals and tarsals. 128. Which body part can make the widest range of movement? A. Leg, B. Head, C. Neck, D. Head. Right answer is B. Head. Hand. The right answer is B. Hand. 129. Which is the longest joint in the human skeleton? A. Knee, B. Shoulder, C. Wrist, D. Elbow. Right answer is knee. 130. Who was the exponent of law of motion? A. Aristotle, B. Newton, C. J.B. Nash, D. Galileo. Right answer is B. Newton. 131. Air consists of 4 bones, 6 bones, 3 bones, 8 bones. Right answer is 6 bones. 132. The majority of liver in human body is A. First class, B. Second class, C. Third class, D. Fourth class. Right answer is C. Third class. 133. Kinesiology is the study of A. Human motion, B. Motor movements, C. Physical fitness, D. Anthropology. Right answer is A. Human motion. 134. The specific function of tarsal bone is A. Gives strength, B. Protection, C. Acts as a lever, D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Gives strength. 135. Otology is the study of A. Muscle, B. Joint, C. Bone, D. Nerves. Right answer is C. Bones. 136. One of the following is an excellent example of condyloid joint. A. Shoulder joint, B. Hip joint, C. Wrist joint, D. Neck joint. Right answer is D. Neck joint. 137. The maximum rhythm movements of the wrist per second is A. 3-4 minutes, 5 to 6 movements, 8 to 9 movements, 10 to 11 movements. Right answer is A. 3 to 4 movements. 138. Supination and pronation are the movement of A. Radio-ulnar joint, B. Elbow joint, C. Shoulder joint, D. Knee joint. Right answer is A. Radio-ulnar joint. Question 139. At the time of release of discus, A. Centripetal force is more than centrifugal force, B. Centrifugal force is more than centripetal force, C. Centripetal and centrifugal force become zero, D. None of the above. Right answer is B. Centrifugal force is more than centripetal force. 140. Raising of body on toes in example of A. Second class lever, B. First class lever, C. Third class lever, D. None. Right answer is A. Second class lever. 141. The branch of mechanism that describes the cause of force is A. Kinetics, B. Fluid mechanics, C. Biomechanics, D. Kinematics. Right answer is D. Kinematics. 142. Every movement has one axis, one plane, one axis and one plane. D, none of the above. C is the right answer, one axis and one plane. 143. Study of muscle is called A, osteology, B, myology, C, biology, D, pathology. Right answer is B, myology. 144. Neck joint is an example of A, pivot joint, B, hick joint, C, saddle joint, D, condylar joint. Right answer is A, pivot joint. 147. Number of bones in an axial skeletons are A, 60, B, 80, C, 40, D, 20. Right answer is B, 80. 146. Number of bones in the appendicular A, 120, B, 180, C, 126, D, 116. Right answer is 126. 147. Which of the following is pressure manipulation technique? A, clapping, B, kneading, C, pinching, D, pounding. Right answer is B, kneading. 148. The branch of mechanism which deals with the force that produces or changes the state of motion is A, kinetics, B, statics, C, biomechanics, D, kinematics. Right answer is A, kinetics. 149. Latissimus dorsi is situated in A, lower leg, B, thigh, C, back, D, upper arm. Right answer is back. 150 question. Study of bones is called A, osteoporosis, D, osteoclast, C, osteology, D, orthology. Right answer is C, osteology. तो ये फिजियोलॉजी एंड बायोमैकेनिक्स इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन के 150 क्वेश्चन हमने इस चैप्टर 3 में कवर किए हैं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.